It's few people that I've met who are actually afraid of AI. So we have all these horror stories or movies that project AI as something that will take over humanity. The executives I talk with, that's definitely not their concern. Maybe, yeah, we can laugh about it, but it's not a real concern. What their real concern is that they are afraid of starting something that does not scale. They don't want a demo. They want a way to avoid a science project. And how we do that is by scoping tightly and narrow down quickly. So from our point of view, if you're considering launching your first AI initiative, there are 4 things that you need to consider. So first of all, can you narrow down on one specific asset or one specific workflow on that asset? Do you already have existing data? I'm not talking about perfect data, but I'm talking about data that already exists. Is there someone in the organization who would own a potential solution, right? So imagine in a perfect world, the dream scenario, we turn this use case into a solution that works. Who would be the user? Who would be the owner of this? If you cannot name one, find one. And then last but not least, if you're testing something out, you need to understand what does success look like. One clear metrics, not 10, one. At this point in time, if you're considering launching your first AI initiative, we're not looking for perfection. We are testing assumptions in a controlled way. And if you are still considering what should be my first AI use case, we have a free online tool that we use with most of our clients. We even attached our playbook for how we run these programs. You can download it, you can use it for free with your teams, and you can go from plus 50 ideas to a narrow set of ideas that you can already test tomorrow.